So now that we have our controller's show method pointing to a view called projects, let's go ahead and create that. Now, of course, we could use a craft command. So if we run craft again, you'll see that we have a craft view command. So let's run that. Craft view, and we called it projects. So let's go ahead and say projects. Great, so view created successfully. Now, views are located in resources, templates, and you'll see we have our project view. Now, all this did was really just create the file, so feel free to either run the command or create the file manually. I use both depending on what I'm doing, so feel free to use whatever's comfortable. Now, inside the projects view, we could just write, this is a project view. Now, keep in mind, I might use the word templates and view interchangeably, but for Masonite, they're the same thing. So now that we have our projects view and our controller is pointing to this view called projects, let's just make sure our server is running. Craft serve -r. And when previously we got a template not found exception, now we'll get this is a project view. So it's just a normal HTML template. So if we put some HTML in here, and we said hello, that's reflected in the template. Now the render method could also receive a dictionary, which allows you to pass variables from your controller, which is here, to your view, which is here. So say for example, we wanted to pass in a name. We could do so as a dictionary, and the name will be Joe. And in our view, that's going to be expressed with a double curly brace or double mustache brackets, whatever you want to call them. And we put the variable name here. Now, if we refresh in our browser, you'll see it says hello Joe. So you could sort of start seeing the dynamic nature of how views work. Masonite uses Jinja 2 for its templating engine, so there's a lot more powerful things you could do, but we'll go over that in a little bit. Next, we'll get into the fun stuff, and I'll introduce you to the Orator ORM. We'll start building our database and add projects and users. It's going to be a lot of fun, so I'll see you there.